Guten Tag. Today I'll show you probably the best pasta recipe yet. It takes around 4 weeks to make and it's a fully naturally slow fermented pasta dough. It tastes super amazing, is very versatile and adds a tiny bit of a tang to your pasta. At the end of the video I have 2 more crazy use cases for sourdough that I wanted to share with you.
We engineers love flowcharts, so here the full process from start to finish. First we are making a stiff sourdough starter. I have a video on the topic which I'll be linking right here. The stiff sourdough starter will help you to get a better balance between yeast and bacteria. Your dough won't be as sour in the end. We want the pasta to be slightly sour but not too sour. And that's where the stiff starter is such a game changer. After making the starter, we will be mixing the dough. We're just gonna put all the ingredients together. It's not really kneading, it's more of a homogenizing. Then we place it in a bowl and in the afternoon we wait until the dough roughly increased by 50% in size. Now it's up to you. Are you hungry? If yes, you can make your pasta directly. If not, if you want to experience a flavor explosion, then store your pasta in the fridge at around 40 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Fahrenheit for up to a month. Super simple recipe and you'll have amazing pasta. So let's put everything together now. Making the dough is very simple. You need to have flour, a little bit of sourdough starter, eggs or water, and some salt. The dough itself is a relatively stiff dough with around 50% hydration. This makes a good portion for dinner for 2 people. So that's 200 grams of flour, 2 eggs size medium weighing around 100 grams in total, or 100 grams of water, 40 grams of starter, and 2 grams of salt.
Now I have two more sourdough recipes that I wanted to share with you. The first one being a sourdough drink. Based on all the experiments, I was able to develop a very nice yogurty tasting sourdough drink that's very mild. I call it the sourbucha. The second one is a lacto-fermented hot sauce. It uses the sourdough. Every sauce typically always has a sour component, and in this case, the sour component is coming from the sourdough. Super incredibly delicious too. Please let me know in the comments which one you would like to see first. Also please, I would be super curious to hear your thoughts on how this pasta could best be served. Please also share that in the comments. Which sauce would play very well with it? Thanks for watching, and may the gluten be with you. This was indeed very delicious.